Tingin, be.
Morning, everyone. I'm Stephanie Grace Navarrosa, a grade 12 year student. We live in a world obsessed with appearances, magazines, social media, and even everyday conversations. Bombard us with images of perfect bodies and flawless faces. It's easy to get caught up in comparison game, feeling inadequate and questioning our own worth. But here's the truth. True beauty, true confidence comes from within. I experienced being bullied a lot when I was in grade school, even when I was in high school. My peers refer to me as being overweight and medical. I have to cope with every day to the point that I don't even want to go to school because I was too young for those things. But in the end, I understood that my body was not the problem. My face was not the problem, and I am not the problem. But the real problem is this society. I realize that we are all unique with our own individual shape, size, and features. There is no one size fits all the definition of beauty. Imagine a world where we can celebrate our differences, where we can embrace our curves, our scars, and our unique features. A world where we can focus on building our inner strength, our talent, and our contribution, rather than obsessing over our physical appearances. That's the power of true self-confidence. It's about recognizing your inherent worth, accepting your body as it is, and understanding that your value as a person does not determined by societal standard of beauty. Nicki Minaj once said that they may cut you with their eyes, they may shoot you with their words, and they may kill you with their hatefulness. But still, like earth, you rise. So let's break free from the pressure to conform. Let's embrace our individuality and celebrate our unique beauty. Let's focus on building our inner strength and confidence, knowing that the true beauty shines from within. And that's all. Thank you.